to tell you, the most intimidating hairstyling technique that I have ever done is this one. Attempting to do waves or curls with a straightener. I'm not very good, I have never been good at curling my hair with a straightener. I prefer to use a curling one, but for this hairstyle, I know that the flat iron gives a different kind of wave and a different possibility. It gives it a little bit more of a natural look. So I hope that you guys enjoy, and let's just start from the beginning. I'm gonna use now a round brush and the blow dryer to straighten my hair a little bit. I'm actually not giving myself a blowout, but rather I'm trying to just make sure that my hair is completely dry, and also to straighten it a little bit so that the weird wave or frizziness is a little bit better. And this is gonna really help, especially if this is your first time trying to do curls with a flat iron. It can be very intimidating. If you try to straighten your hair just a little bit, not too much, it's gonna help when you want to style it or when you want to do the curls. I'm gonna divide my hair in two parts, and then I'm gonna section off in two more parts. You can see how much hair I have, guys. I know, it's crazy, huh? So I'm gonna take a small chunk of hair, brush it, and now I'm gonna take my straightener, and first I'm gonna try to smooth the root just a little bit, and then I'm gonna take the straightener, put it as close as I can to my scalp without burning myself, and prepare your hand to make sure that you can twist the straightener. And I twist it away from my face, and I let go. When you let go, it should be like smooth, and then you can see this bend over here. I'm gonna take the straightener once again away from my face, and now it's gonna look very weird, but then when you brush it out, it's gonna look like a beautiful wave instead of like bouncy type of curls. I know that it looks very complicated, but if you take your straightener when it's cold, not connected, and you try to do it, you're gonna see, following this video, you're gonna see that it's easier than you think. So once again, I'm gonna smooth the roots, take the straightener, twist, this was a better grip, and let go. And you see where the hair bends? That's where you're gonna take the hair again, twist away from the face, and let go. And one more time, twist away from the face, and let go. I swear this looks more complicated than it really is. If you practice with your straightener when it's cold, you're gonna see that it's not that difficult. And then once you got the technique, it's super easy to do your whole head. We take the straightener, prepare our hands, and twist. And then here, where we see the wave, we're gonna take again and twist. One more time, away from the face, and in the next wave, away from the face. And now I twist them just like this, and I let them cool off. You know, if you're not feeling very confident about this technique, you can always, start small. Divide your hair in smaller pieces like this. That would be easier than to start, with big chunks of hair. And eventually you will get it. I remember a long time ago When I learned how to curl my hair, oh my god, I even cried because it looked so horrible. And then my curl didn't even lasted when I was going down on the elevator to the parking lot. So, you know, now my curls last over 3 days, and you live and you learn. It's okay to make mistakes. Okay, now I'm gonna brush it out. Once the hair is cool, of course. And you see, we have kind of like these loose waves. I'm gonna go over this one a little bit here. And now with the hairspray, crunching the hair a little bit to bring up the wavy texture we give to the hair. I do the same when I style my hair with a curling wand, and I do the same. I take the hairspray, spray it on the hair, and then I crunch the hair. I always brush out the ends and the top when I use hairspray to give the hair a little bit of a more flexible look. Okay, so after the hairspray dries out, this is the final look. I think it's really pretty how it turned out. I have to say, it's not the easiest hairstyle technique for me, but I'm sure that with more practice I will, you know, be better at twisting. But I really like it. I think that is a very casual, kind of natural wave, and especially like with jeans in the summer, I just love how it looks. So I hope that you guys liked it. Any tips or tricks for me, definitely leave them down below in the comments. If you like this hairstyle, give it a like, and I will see you on the next video. Mwah! Bye bye!